Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elise and I decided to start vlogging like partway through my workout, so it's like 1 right now, but I thought today would be a kind of fun day to vlog because it is my first day of summer. Yeah, right now I just wanted to put on a little bit of makeup and get ready. So I'm gonna start with this eyebrow tint. So funny story, the other day Sam and I were in here and it was probably like 8 p.m. and I think we were just watching TV and we get this woman like looking in our window and it's pretty much dark outside and she's like pointing to our front door and Sam and I are like kind of creeped out and so we just like wait a while and eventually we go and see if there's something at the front door because it didn't like connect that that's what she was pointing at. I was like, does she want me to like shut the blinds or something? And we go and there's 5 packages of Oreos, a can of soda, not a can, but like a 12-pack of soda, like a thing of like Little Debbie cakes. Sorry, my dog's drinking water. A thing of Little Debbie cakes and a package of raw chicken. I think that was everything. And Sam and I are like, oh gosh, what the heck? We knew like no one had sent this to us because the contents were like too weird. It wasn't one of our families. But we were like, what are we supposed to do? We don't know whose groceries these are. So we leave them out there for like an hour and then we go back and check and we're like, they're still there. So we take the raw chicken, we place the chicken in our fridge and we just bring the groceries inside and just leave them by the door and no one comes. Then the next morning, Sam and I are still asleep and we get pounding on our door. So Sam gets dressed, he goes to the door and there's the exact same order of groceries plus paper towels, no one there. And we're like, no, like this is not ours. But luckily a few minutes later, a guy came back and he was like, are these not your groceries? And we were like, no. So it was a different apartment, but with the same number as ours. And we were like, can you take the groceries back? And he's like, we can't take the ones that we delivered last night, so you can just have them. So Sam and I have 5 packages of Oreos right now. It's just kind of funny. So that's like the most exciting thing that's happened though lately, besides finishing my classes. So I finished the semester. It went really well for me, especially with everything going on. This was my like best grades for a semester I've had. So pumped about that, but really glad to be done with the semester. So I don't have like a lot planned for today, but I for sure want to clean up. The apartment got pretty neglected during the last 2 weeks because of finals week and like the week before was stressful with a lot of projects being due. So I know I want to do that. I'm super hungry, so as soon as I finish this, I want to go make some lunch. I know some states are starting to open up. In Arizona, restaurants are allowed to have people inside. I think I'll wait a while to see like what happens before I go to something like that. But Sam and I are hoping to go camping this weekend, so I need to look. State parks here are open, so I just need to see if any of them look good, because that could be something fun to do. I just like putting on a little bit of makeup so that I feel like I got ready for the day. I feel like it makes me a little more productive. I don't do this every day, but it's just good to get a little bit ready for me sometimes. Just some lip balm. All right, and that's all I'm gonna do for makeup. So that's pretty much it. I want to look like myself, and it's not like I want to cake in makeup. I don't want to put like foundation or mascara really on, but I just like to like feel a little more presentable. So for lunch, I'm making zucchini pancakes. So I used about a half of a zucchini, and I used a food processor, but you can shred it or like grate it if you don't have one. 1 egg, about a 1/4 cup of flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Ideally use spring onions or green onions if you have some. I don't, so I just used a generous amount of onion powder and hopefully that'll still come out good. So now I'm just gonna mix this all together. So this is a pretty good consistency. You can use more eggplant. Just adjust the flour as needed so that it's not too wet, but this looks like a pretty good consistency. Here they are, all done. I'm gonna eat them with this gyoza dipping sauce. It's like the sauce that you dip a pot sticker in. You could also do sour cream or make a soy sauce mixture, but super excited. Okay, bad angle, but I'll give you a taste test. So, let's get a piece. I'm gonna I have the sauce just right here. Dip it in. It's good. I should have made them a little crispier and I put too much oil in the pan, but really good. I make these pretty often, just for lunch, or they can be good snacks. Just like little veggie pancakes. All right, I am getting ready to take Bear outside right now. He's looking cute. I just sat down so that I can do some stuff on my computer, but while I am on my computer, I want to turn on House Hunters so that I can have that going in the background. I don't know if I want regular or international. Good to go, House Hunters International. They're in the Netherlands in this episode. Just gave Bear a Kong ball with some peanut butter, and now I'm just gonna do some stuff on my computer. I was getting a little bit hungry, so I just put together a snack. I have one Granny Smith apple that I cut up with some peanut butter on some, and then like a seed butter on the other, so I'm just gonna eat that and enjoy that. And not a lot is going on, but I am enjoying my summer day. Okay, big update. Not that big, but my aunt just called me and said that Arizona is opening up pools and gyms tomorrow, which is really exciting because we have a pool, our little community pool right out there. So that's so exciting. I don't know if ours specifically will open tomorrow too, but our pool isn't shared with a ton of units, and so I feel like swimming is one where you can keep like a pretty safe distance from people. Hi guys, so I'm not feeling like the greatest right now, so I decided I'm just going to chill out and watch something for a little bit and see if that helps me feel better. So that's what's going on. So I just finished the In Her Hands episode of I Am a Killer on Netflix. If you guys have watched that, I would love to talk about this. I don't know, I have so many mixed feelings. I don't know if she's like really truly evil or if it was just like a really terrible mistake that like she really thought she was helping. I don't know, that was like, what the heck. Anyway, I'm feeling hungry now, so I think I'm gonna go make a smoothie for lunch. So this is what I'm about to blend up. It has one whole small banana in it, a handful of strawberries, a cup of almond milk, and a serving of chocolate protein powder. All right, I have my chocolate covered strawberry smoothie. Yeah, it's so good. Oh yeah.
It's so good, like ridiculously good.
Yum.